Hey everyone, this is Eric. Welcome to my channel Redwood North Trading. I just wanted to give you a quick update on the pre-market today for, let's see, today is Monday the 9th of November 2020. Apparently Pfizer came out with a COVID vaccine that's like 90% success rate and everyone's going crazy about it. So the stock market is just taking off. And you can see here pre-market, this is the SPY, so this is on the S&P 500, and it's way up here above this long-term trend line, which goes all the way back 11, 12 years to March 2009. And it has bounced off of here several times, and it just doesn't go through. So this is basically setting up for a blow off top scenario. Everyone's just going crazy over this vaccine. People are going to realize eventually that, okay, let's say this thing is legit. It's still not going to be widespread availability for another 6 months, maybe a year. So this is just a short-term overreaction. Basically every reaction in the stock market is an overreaction. It's all hype. Everybody's speculating. We knew a vaccine would come out sooner or later, right? So this really shouldn't be a surprise to anyone. I mean, look at this whole rebound right here from the whole COVID crash, and then the last 8-9 months, we've just been climbing and climbing and climbing. We hit this long-term resistance and bounced off. This was about a 10% drop. Hit it again, same thing, like a 7 or 8% drop, and now we're just blew right past it, even higher than right here. And it's going to go up today, obviously. I mean, it's here right now. Maybe it'll go up tomorrow even, but this last time we hit it, it was one day above it, right? And then boom, big sell off, another big sell off, another big sell off. So you lost, 6% in the next 3 days. So anyways, I'd just be really careful if you're thinking about going long on stocks right now. Everybody's just going crazy over this for really no good reason. I mean, welcome to the stock market. It's illogical. Everything is speculative and stuff just doesn't make sense, right? I mean, here, let's zoom out real quick. I'll show you this long-term trend. So here you go, all the way back here, down at the bottom, 16th of March, 09, right? And it's been on this trend up the whole time. And if you zoom out even more, you'll see how steep of a reaction this is to the overall market. Like, here's the tech bubble, right? Went down. And then here is the housing bubble, went down. And then this rebound is steeper than this climb and this climb. But it's gone for, 11 years, where these were just like, 03 to 08, 07. That's like 4 or 5 years. This is 95 to 2000, so that's 5 years. And it wasn't as aggressive move up. So to think that you could climb higher and faster and break through right here and go for an extended period of time to create a new breakout pattern here just doesn't make sense. I mean, we're already on one of the best runs of all time. And to think we're going to do even better than that is just, anything can happen, right? But if it would, I mean, talk about setting up for a true bubble. Anyways, I've rambled on longer than I thought I would. Just be real careful here. I would certainly not be going long right here if I was you. I mean, I personally am not. So I'm expecting something similar to this right here, where it hits here, comes down, 5 to 10%. So it's going to hit here, same thing, come down 5, 10%, back down, 340 range on the SPY here. There's still a lot of kind of uncertainty with the election even. I mean, seems like Biden's got it, but Trump claims he's going to fight it till the end. Again, this vaccine was expected. This is just a total overreaction, and it'll eventually correct back down. It just cannot sustain this huge gap up. It's just crazy. Anyways, good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.